Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Nil Dignita. Today we will discuss about pigeon. Pigeons are a species of birds in the family Columbidae. They are found all over the world, with over 300 different species. Pigeons are known for their ability to adapt to urban environments and are often seen in cities and towns. Here are some key characteristics and facts about pigeons. Appearance. Pigeons vary in size and coloration depending on the species. They typically have stout bodies, small heads, and short legs. Their plumage can range from gray, white, and brown to more vibrant colors like iridescent greens and purples. Habitat. Pigeons are adaptable birds and can be found in a wide range of habitats, including cities, parks, farmlands, and woodlands. They build nests on ledges, rooftops, and in tree cavities. Diet. Pigeons are primarily herbivorous and feed on seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. In urban areas, they often scavenge for food scraps and can become a nuisance in public spaces. Communication. Pigeons are known for their ability to navigate and find their way home over long distances. They use various visual cues, landmarks, and the Earth's magnetic field to orient themselves. Pigeons also communicate through vocalizations, cooing sounds, and body movements. Reproduction. Pigeons form monogamous pairs and mate for life. They typically build a simple nest using twigs and leaves. The female usually lays 1 or 2 eggs and both parents take turns incubating them. The incubation period lasts around 17 to 19 days. Symbolism. Pigeons have cultural and symbolic significance in different societies. They are often associated with peace, love, and tranquility. The release of doves at special events or ceremonies is a common practice in some cultures. Urban pigeons. In urban environments, pigeons have adapted to human presence and often rely on human-provided food sources. They can gather in large flocks, especially in areas with abundant food and suitable roosting places. Homing instinct. Pigeons have an exceptional homing instinct, which refers to their ability to find their way back to their home or roosting site from long distances. This remarkable navigational skill has been studied extensively and used for various purposes, such as carrier pigeons delivering messages in the past. Carrier pigeons. Carrier pigeons, also known as messenger pigeons, have been used for communication purposes throughout history. They were employed as a reliable means of sending messages over long distances, particularly during times of war. Pigeons were trained to carry small capsules containing written messages and release from one location to return to their home base with the message. Feral pigeons. Feral pigeons are domesticated pigeons that have returned to the wild. They often form large flocks in urban areas and rely on human habitation for food and shelter. Feral pigeon populations can increase rapidly, leading to concerns regarding hygiene, property damage, and the spread of diseases. Pigeon intelligence. Pigeons are surprisingly intelligent birds. They have demonstrated remarkable cognitive abilities, including pattern recognition, memory, and problem-solving skills. Pigeons have been extensively studied in the field of animal cognition, contributing valuable insights into avian intelligence. Pigeons and human health. Pigeons can carry diseases such as histoplasmosis, cryptococcosis, and salmonellosis. However, the risk of contracting these diseases from pigeons is generally low unless there is close and prolonged exposure to their droppings or nesting areas. Maintaining cleanliness and proper hygiene is crucial in areas with high pigeon populations. Pigeon racing. Pigeon racing is a sport in which specially bred and trained pigeons are released from a specific location and race back to their respective lofts. The bird's speed and navigation abilities are tested in these competitions, and the winning pigeon is determined based on the time taken to return home. Pigeons in art and literature. Pigeons have made appearances in various forms of art, literature, and folklore. They are often depicted as symbols of peace, freedom, and spiritual connection. Pigeons have been represented in paintings, sculptures, and poetry, and their presence in urban landscapes has been captured in numerous works of art. Conservation efforts. While pigeons are not considered endangered species, some specific species of pigeons are facing threats due to habitat loss, hunting, and other human activities. Conservation organizations and researchers work to protect endangered pigeon species and raise awareness about their conservation needs. Pigeon milk. Unlike most bird species, pigeons produce a special milk-like substance called pigeon milk to feed their young. Both male and female pigeons produce this milk in their crop, a pouch-like structure in the throat. Pigeon milk is highly nutritious and essential for the growth and development of pigeon squabs, baby pigeons. Pigeons and war. Pigeons have played significant roles in military operations throughout history. During World Wars I and II, pigeons were used to carry vital messages across enemy lines when other means of communication were unreliable. Many pigeons were awarded medals for their bravery and service. Pigeon courtship displays. Male pigeons perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females. These displays include puffing up their chest, cooing, bowing, and making circular flights while clapping their wings. The male pigeon may also present nesting materials to the female as part of the courtship ritual. Pigeon intelligence and navigation. Pigeons possess a remarkable ability to navigate and find their way home, even from unfamiliar locations. They rely on a combination of visual cues, the position of the sun, the Earth's magnetic field, and their keen sense of smell to navigate over long distances. Pigeon racing records. Pigeon racing competitions have witnessed impressive feats of speed and endurance. Pigeons have been recorded flying at speeds of over 90 miles, 145 kilometers per hour, and covering distances of hundreds of miles in a single race. Pigeons as pets. Pigeons can be kept as pets or domesticated birds. There are various pigeon breeds selectively bred for specific characteristics such as color, feather patterns, or body shape. Some pigeon enthusiasts participate in pigeon shows and competitions to showcase their birds. Pigeon flock behavior. Pigeons are highly social birds and often gather in large flocks, known as flights or droves. Flocking together provides them with protection from predators and allows them to share information about food sources and potential dangers. Pigeon sounds. Pigeons are known for their distinctive cooing sounds. The cooing is a vocalization used for communication among pigeons. Additionally, pigeons can produce other sounds such as clapping their wings, bill clattering, and soft purring noises. Pigeon lifespan. The lifespan of pigeons varies depending on the species and environmental factors. Wild pigeons typically live for 3 to 5 years, while pigeons kept in captivity or as pets can live for 10 to 15 years or even longer with proper care. Pigeon influence on architecture. Pigeons have influenced the design of architecture in some urban areas. Structures such as pigeon spikes, netting, and sloping ledges are installed to deter pigeons from roosting or nesting on buildings, monuments, and statues. It's worth noting that while pigeons are generally harmless and play a role in ecosystems, their large populations in urban areas can sometimes lead to problems such as excessive droppings, damage to buildings, and competition with native bird species. Efforts are made in many cities to manage pigeon populations through humane methods like birth control measures and public education campaigns. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more video.